Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add HTML and CSS code on Google site. So guys, open a new site as you can see here in this option, and you find the different option here guys. Click embed as you can see here guys, and embed your code and enter your HTML code or CSS code. I have this code guys. I just test code guys. Copy this code. I will need to copy this and just paste code and click this option next, and after that this is my code guys. If you check right this code, the code or this would just example to website code guys, click insert option as you can see here guys, and you can this code added successfully and my website. This is just test code guys. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon guys. Keep watching.